trillions could flow through cryptos like Stellar XLM. But what are some of the other cryptos that could benefit from this? And how are you and I going to benefit from this? How is Zion Coins going to benefit from this? Well, before all of that, please like, subscribe. It helps with the YouTube algorithm, and I can keep delivering more and more content like this to you more frequently. And with that aside, we need to think about the fundamental facts of the matter. And fundamentally, there are other cryptos that will benefit from these trillions flowing in. But what are these other cryptos? We need to discover just what's going on in the world of CBDCs. It's clear there is going to be interoperability with the financial system and cryptos, the people's money. But how is this going to happen? Well, we understand what CBDCs are: central bank digital money, central bank digital currencies, whichever way you want to look at it. It's money, ultimately programmable money, just like cryptos. And there has to be a level of interoperability. If we want a cashless society, if they want a cashless society, which is what they've wanted all along, then we need interoperability. We need these bridges. How is this going to come about? Well, people, are you ready? Yes, if you haven't guessed already, Quant. We're talking about Quant and the Overledger. I think right now, what we need to do, yes, you and I, is look at just what exactly Quant are doing. And if you saw my previous video, you know that BSI are coming forward with IMF for the blueprints for this international CBDC, this Overledger CBDC. Has Quant got anything to do with it? Well, over to you, Nathan. Let's just find out what's going on in this article.
This is from the Digital Pound Foundation. They've got this from the Quant website, Gilbert Verdane's site. Quant collaborates with BIS and the Bank of England on Project Rosalind. Now, I've chosen to read it from the Digital Pound site because the words are slightly bigger so I could see them clearer for you guys. I read on: we're proud to announce our roles as part of the vendor team for Project Rosalind, the project led by the Bank for International Settlements and the Bank of England explored how application programming interface could be used for central bank digital currency systems. Project Rosalind, directed by the BSI Innovation Hub London Central, has been testing how APIs could facilitate retail payments in CBDCs and support the exploration of innovative CBDC use cases. The project looked specifically at public-private sector collaboration models in which the public sector would provide core infrastructure and the private sector would produce customer-facing applications, collaborating with many participants in the ecosystem. The project has proven that APIs could play a key role in enabling CBDC systems deliver a range of benefits in terms of payments, functionality, and security. Another important outcome was innovation through exploring use cases, a world first that tested how CBDCs could support a more digitalized economy in the future. We contributed to the work in designing and developing API functionalities to support innovation and to enable private sector programmability. We worked with our partners UST as a leading digital information company on the project, with Quant team providing the underlying infrastructure and blockchain platform, secure smart contracts and interoperability of central bank ledgers, and UST building the front end Rosalind API layer. Now they're talking about blockchain platform. Well, blockchain platform, Quant isn't a blockchain, is it? Supposedly. Gilbert Verdane, our founder and CEO, said for the first time, money is ready for a digital age. A CBDC will enable citizens and businesses to automate cumbersome payments and processes and implement logic into money. For commercial bank and other institutions, the opportunity to apply this programmability to create innovative new products that differentiate themselves from challenges and competition and competitors is almost endless. We encourage every bank and financial institute to read the Project Rosalind report. It's a 30-page report, PDF. I'll link it down in the description, and start planning their smart contract money infrastructure strategy. The London Innovative Hub Central was established by Switzerland headquarters BSI in 2021 and is one of the 6 international nodes working to develop public goods in the technology space to support central banks and improve the functioning of the financial system. We will share this. Nathan, over to you.
Okay, that's great, Nathan. Thanks for that. I think we need to know a little bit more about what Quant actually is. So, please, from Crypto Animations, what is Quant?
On the other hand, Quant Network is a blockchain technology company looking to achieve universal interoperability between blockchains using its Overledger OS blockchain operating system. In contrast to other cryptocurrency projects, Quant Network is not open source, and much of the technology used in its products are patented, requiring licensing to use. Although Quant Network focuses more on enterprise blockchain services, it is also looking to integrate multiple cryptocurrency blockchains into its Overledger network. Quant Network also supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Binance Chain, Stellar, EOS, IOTA, and Constellation. It also supports JP Morgan's Quorum blockchain, the R3 Corda blockchain, and the Hyperledger Fabric blockchain. Quant Network is a closed-source project. It does not share the details of how its core technologies function. The most important thing to remember is that Quant Network is not a blockchain. It is an ecosystem consisting of various components, including the Overledger OS blockchain operating system, multi-chain apps, the Overledger Network Marketplace, the Treasury, and the QNT token. Overledger OS is an interoperable blockchain operating system. In other words, it allows those using the Overledger OS to interact with multiple different blockchains simultaneously. The Overledger OS is intended to be the Windows or Mac OS of the future network of blockchains. While Quant Network does not explain how its Overledger OS works, its FAQ page states that it is based on Google's open-source Kubernetes technology. Without getting too detailed, Kubernetes makes it possible for an app to support thousands of users without being overwhelmed. It does this by automatically fixing any errors using a network of nodes. Like many other software programs, the Overledger OS is not free. Individuals and institutions must pay an annual licensing fee to use the Overledger OS. This fee is fixed for individuals and varies for institutions, depending on several metrics, including their company size. Paying this license allows them to create multi-chain apps using the Overledger OS. Multi-chain applications are self-explanatory. They are applications built on top of multiple blockchains. This is in contrast to regular decentralized applications built on a single blockchain, usually Ethereum. Each MApp comprises treaty contracts, advanced programs that allow multiple smart contracts on different blockchains to work together. Since MApps are built on multiple blockchains, their speed and efficiency are dependent on the underlying blockchains being used. For instance, if you build a MApp using Ethereum and Solana, the part of the application built on Ethereum would only be able to handle 15 transactions per second. In contrast, the other part would have a speed of nearly 65,000 transactions per second. The value of most cryptocurrencies lies in what they offer to the blockchain industry and their uniqueness. Quant is not like any other crypto project out there. It is the first project to solve the problem of interoperability by introducing an operating system for blockchains. Building bridges across different blockchains opened several opportunities in the sector. Quant operating system Overledger is one of the things that makes the network unique. It is a reliable gateway for any blockchain project to access other blockchains for positive interactions. It helps to connect different applications on either the same ecosystem, for instance, Ethereum, or different blockchain ecosystems such as Ethereum and Ripple. Quant is a complete utility ecosystem that facilitates interactions on the blockchain universe. It offers different layers for transactions, messaging, filtering, and ordering. There is also an application for sharing and referencing identical messages for various applications. For what we have discussed already, you can tell that Overledger is an important part of the Quant ecosystem. It is the backbone of the network because it facilitates communicability among the different DLTs and also interacts with the other blockchains it helps to bring together. Though it links different blockchains, Overledger does not create room for compromise. In some ways, it is similar to Ethereum's proof-of-stake protocol, with the Quant Network community handling treasury and smart contracts. Overall, Quant is regarded as a highly secured network. It has never been hacked in the past. Quant is also known for being an innovative network that releases upgrades regularly. These upgrades come with additional security features, so Quant is secured.
Well, there you go, people. So, Quant, we know, is going to be the Overledger for interconnectivity, for interoperability, blockchains, CBDCs. Clearly happening right now as we speak. The IMF has the blueprint. Quant 100% has something to do with this. We've got the ISO standard 200 and 2022 linking all of these components together, just like a blockchain. The Overledger will provide interoperability from blockchain to blockchain to blockchain, from CBD to CBD to CBT, interlinking everything all in one for fast-paced interoperability. Obviously, settlement is only going to be as fast as that specific blockchain, as we just found out. Now, the fundamental facts of the matter are clear to you. Where are we going? This blockchain, cryptocurrency, crypto universe is on the up. All you got to do is get in early to make money out of it. But who's Gilbert Verdane? Well, check out this video. And really, to get up to speed on what's been going on in the blockchain world, you need to check out my mini-series, my docu-series, Banking on Bitcoin Revisited. Check it out now. I'm Nathan, aka Nathan of Zion. Smash the Zion coin up there, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day now. Take care.